one. I've got another one from modelones, another review, and this is a fair box, so we'll see what's inside this one. Oh, that's different. So we've got, oh, this is like a little, oh, services, oh, gifts and things. Right, okay. Right, so in this one we've got the jewel forms. So obviously it's polygel. And, oh, look at them, how pretty. Lovely. How simple, yet effective. That's what I like. Oh, and this one is showing you exactly how to put them on. So you should have no problem with the pictures and the reading. You should have no problem whatsoever. Okay, so there's a file, which is a 180 grit. There. Oh, we've got more here. So there's more jewel forms on that one. So obviously there's a lot more in there. And then we've got the polygel. So we've got 6 polygels. Then you've got a base coat, top coat. There's your wipe off residue. Ooh, stiff. That's a good one. And get that one out, not that. So we'll leave it at that. So we've got some little decorations there. And also, yeah. Oh dear, I can't get things. Oh, I know. Use my tweezers, see if that'll fetch it out. If one thing doesn't work, we'll find another. And on this one you've got your brush, gel brush, and this side is your spatula. So I'll get them all out and we'll see what colours that they've come up with, so I'll be back. So I'm taking all these foil things off, and sometimes there's no way you can actually get them off. They'd stuck down that much. So I get tweezers, and if you roll it over, watch it not work now, then it comes off. Just a tip. Thought it was worth sharing. So I've opened up these forms, and they have got a lovely arch to them, and they're nice and flexible. They're really nice, them are. They're not too bulky, thick, and they've got real good sizes, especially thumb sizes. People do have trouble with thumb sizes. Sometimes you end up using something different just to make it look, look the same. But you've got a good variation in there and plenty to go on. So I'm going to use a small one out of this little free gift that comes with it. I mean, I don't need to show a great deal. So we'll go for one of the small ones. And like I say, I've got all those lids off there. There's that. I'll just get something to this is the wipe off solution. I will put that in something, and then we'll get on with trying the colours. Right, so I've put some of the wipe off solution inside there. I've got my little thing, and we'll start with the first one. So, oh, I love the nude colours. I absolutely love the nude. So I'm not using the spatula. I just, and keep that to the top. Don't let it suck back in, because that's when you get air bubbles inside. So there we go. So get the little brush into your solution, and let's see how this works. Like I say, it's no use me doing a lot because they're not huge tubes, so I don't want them to just a waste. Not like that, waste. So when you turn it over, that's the colour it's going to come out. So like I say, I shall cure each one as I do them. And see how we go. And I'll play some music and go through them all with the, like I say, it is a kit, so the colours come as whichever kit you need. So it's no use me telling you, except they're either pinks or beige. Okay, so these have all come out of the lamp now, and with any gel that you're using, it's sticky, and this is no exception. I've just wiped the top there so I'm not getting it all over me. So we'll click this one out, and that's that one. So that was the clear, I think, and this is, they come out really well. That's a nice colour as well, but I still like the beige. Beiges are my favourite. Look at that, it's a beautiful colour, but everybody hasn't got the same taste, so some might like it different than others. There's another pink, and this is another beige. Oops, a bit darker, that one. I think I like that one. And then obviously you got your white. So 60 seconds is cured emotions, and that's the white one. They come out really well, as you can see there. I've got 6, haven't I? 2, 4, 6, yeah. And there isn't a little bit of residue on any of those, so you just put them back in the box and use them again. So, really, really, really good. So, when you've used the forms, you really don't need to do any filing, only if you need it round the edges or at the end, because it's give you that finish. Just put a top coat over, and away you go. Well, I'd like to thank modelones for sending me these to try, and they're all excellent as usual. And I hope you've enjoyed watching, and hopefully, oh, just before I go, don't forget everything's in the drop down box so you won't miss anything and know exactly what I've been using. And like I say, once again, thank you for watching. Hopefully see you in my next. Bye.